Good morning, children. Welcome to English class, and we'll do today Unit 3 poem Smile. So you are excited to start the poem? Have a big smile on your face and let's get started. Let's read aloud. First of all, we'll read the poem. A smile. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. So you can see the old lady and her face is full of wrinkles. What are wrinkles? They are the fine lines which appear on the face when we get older or when we smile really loud. So you can see a smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. So when the smile goes away, where does it hide? We don't know. You can see in the picture the girl is smiling and then she's not smiling. But where the smile goes, we don't know. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. But it is not more wonderful where it hides. More wonderful is what the smile can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So you smile at a friend, and the friend will smile back at smile back at you, and so one smile has made two smiles. Right, children? So this is the more wonderful thing about the smile, that it becomes two. Now let's do the recitation of this poem. Isn't it interesting? The poem is really very wonderful. Now let's recite it let's sing and dance about it. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. Isn't it so much fun to sing it along? So children, you can practice this poem at home, and what we will do next, we'll see the new words. So the first word is wrinkles. As I told you, these are the fine lines which appear on the face when we get old, or when we worry, or we are very tired, or when we laugh aloud. So we can say it is the creases in the skin, especially due to age, worry, or fatigue. So you can see the face of this old lady. It is full of wrinkles. What can be the sentence? Too much sunbathing will wrinkle your skin. I like silk, but it tends to wrinkle. So you can see we can use the word wrinkle for the things also, like cloth which has too much of wrinkles or say lines on it when it is not ironed. Okay, next word is secret. What is a secret? It's something when you want to share only with the close friends and don't want to share with others, and you want your friend also not to share that thing to others. So we can say something which is kept away from being seen or known by others. Another word for secret is mystery. So what can be the sentence? Scientists try to discover the secrets of nature. So scientists also try to discover the secrets of nature. Nature has so many secrets. You must promise to keep it a secret. So when you tell a secret to your friend, you want the friend to keep it a secret and not to tell to others. Next is hiding place. What is a hiding place? A place where someone or something can be hidden. So when you play hide and seek with your friends, you must be having some of your favorite hiding places. right? So in this picture you can see this Small cat is hidden in a cupboard. Maybe it's her secret hiding place. So he found a good hiding place for his toy. You need to find a new hiding place for that key. So hiding place is where you hide. Okay children, complete these new words. Copy. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll bring the next video on the book and the notebook work. Thank you children.